Echoes of our laughter blend with distant city calls. No beats are whispering, secrets in the air. Alternative rhythms take away our every care. Underneath the raindrops, we find our way to dream. Passion in our footsteps, life's not what it seems. Bedroom pop confessions, carried on the breeze. In this rainy reverie, our hearts are finally at ease. Electro ignites, with vinyl softly spinning. Each drop a gentle reminder of where we've been and where we're heading. The world outside is hazy, but here we feel so clear. Alternative hip-hop stories playing softly in our ears. Underneath the raindrops, we find our way to dream. Passion in our footsteps, life's not what it seems. Bedroom pop confessions, carried on the breeze. In this rainy reverie, our hearts are finally at ease. London in the rain, we're lost in time and space. Every drop a memory we can't erase. Passion in the puddles, reflections in the night. Lo-fi dreams unfolding in the soft moonlight. Underneath the raindrops, we find our way to dream. Passion in our footsteps, life's not what it seems. Bedroom pop confessions, carried on the breeze. In this rainy reverie, our hearts are finally at ease. Walking through the city streets, the rain begins to fall. Echoes of our laughter blend with distant city calls. In this rainy reverie, our hearts are finally